Today on Nebraska WoodSTR, we got this cleaned up and we broke some stuff. Let's show you. Hey WoodSTRs, my name is Mike. Well, as you can see here, we had finished up all of those rounds the other day, so that is all cleaned up. And starting to look at the next run here. We want to get that one cleared off. Got all of those pieces and cookies out of there. And so we're going to get that all cleaned up so we can start that next run once we get this run complete here. So anyway, things seem to be going well on that front. So just want to make sure that we got that all cleaned up and ready to go. You'll see on here as well, my plan was to do some extra cleaning on picking up and starting to sort through those pieces there and get those in the right piles, but blew a hydraulic line. As it's a pretty good 90% chance of rain tonight, and I'm like, shit, it's starting to spit on me. Nope, it was oil getting caught in the wind. So now the tractor's got a bunch of spots on it everywhere as well. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna get that showed to you. We got all those pieces into the cookie pile. We also got this cleaned up and scooped up the rest of the burn pile. So anyway, let's show you. Well, there's the kitty, a different one. House cat. This one does fight off the coyotes. She's got more battle scars than most. I don't know how many lives she has, but 9 doesn't stop it. She'll come back to the house and be beat to crap. All right, well, there you go. A little bit of action here today, just getting everything cleaned up. Appreciate everybody staying till the end. You know the program. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the flip side.